दोस्तों, ये हमने वैसे क्यों नहीं किया था। दिलीप सेन, समीर सहन की ये सबसे पहला गाना था जो कि सुपर हिट हुआ, ओले ओले। इनको देखकर उनके तर्ज तरन्नुम चल पड़े। मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ हमारे माननीय जज साहबों का। द रिजल्ट्स आर बीइंग कंपाइल्ड। ख़ास तौर से मदन लाल खुराना जी का कि आप दोबारा तशरीफ़ लाए सर। वाकई आई एम सरप्राइज्ड, वाकई प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज्ड। और ठीक टाइम पर आए, पूरे 9 बजे आप वापस आए थे, 9:20 पर आए थे। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर, इन टाइम। और गिरधर गोमांगो जी, इनको कल्चर से बहुत दिलचस्पी है क्योंकि ये खुद ट्राइबल एरिया से हैं और हमारे 26 जनवरी पर भी इन्होंने बहुत योगदान दिया। मैं गुजारिश करूंगी वीएस के सूद साहब जो कि संगम कला ग्रुप के प्रेसिडेंट हैं, मंच पर तशरीफ लाएं। And we have some very exciting awards that are being announced this evening, ladies and gentlemen. Forgive me if I am carrying these loads of papers, but the awards are so exciting. Mr. V.S. Sood, may I invite you, sir, on the stage? Can we have a mic, please, for Mr. Sood? I would request Mr. Sood to tell us a little about the awards.
Respected Khurana Sahab, Gomango Sahab, अपने दिलीप सेन, समीर सेन भाई, अपने ज़ुबूरी साहब, एंड इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेजर। मैं बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ आप जैसी एमिनेंट पर्सनैलिटीज़ जो आज हमारे बीच में हैं, विच इज़ वेरी वेरी एनकरेजिंग फॉर द यंग कमिंग अप सिंगर्स। आई हैड टोल्ड that we had 7,500 and more entries all over the country. We have chapters who are working very, very hard to bring that talent. After the interstate competition of 200 people who are in Delhi staying with us, it was a festival to watch. Only 26 have reached here. And I'm sure, Khurana ji and Gomango Sahab, you would have seen the talent which is in the country. And the heritage of this country has all this. We have to get the jewels out and bring them on stage. That's what we have been doing for the last 19 years as far as this competition is concerned. And therefore we look for patronage of people like you. And before I tell you about the awardees of today, I have a good news for the lovers of music, and all of you. Khurana Sahab has been very kind. Mr. Khurana will, I request has come. Yes, I think it deserves to be told from him. I will, no, please, Khurana Sahab, we give at this occasion, besides the shields for the winners, we give awards, national awards. 2 national awards, one for patronage to music and one for contribution to music. The other 2 are for the best music critique and one for the best music teacher. Then our states, some of the states also at our stage give awards for the patronage and contribution to music by some people. This year we have 2 or 3 such requests, and they deserved it, a central stage, so we are calling them also. Let me announce that this year's National Award for Patronage to Music is being given to Shri Subhash Goyal of Zee Tele Films. Let's give a big hand. The concept like Saregama, Sonu Nigam is our find, and Sonu is there, and this is one cause for which the group is very happy. Most of our children, 80% children you find from all over the country, belong to Sangam Kala group, which they confess themselves. So I'm sure this is a matter of relation. Let's give a big hand to the Sangam Kala group. We are very happy. So this one, okay. So for patronage to music, that award is going to Subhash Goel ji. Of course, he is away from Bombay, and he requested that his award should be received by somebody else. He was ready, but requested a very, very apologetic he was. So, National Award for Patronage to Music goes to Shri Subhash Goel.
I would like to request Honorable Shri Madan Lal Khurana ji to give this award. This award for Subhash Chandra Goel of Zee Telefilms. I would request, ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a very big hand. Zee Chi, kitni TV dekhte rehte hain aap din bhar? Very big hand to Subhash Chandra Goel, and Mr. Mukesh Anand will receive this award on his behalf. Mr. Mukesh Anand. For contribution to music, the award goes to Shri Amarnath Ji. Mr. Baldev Raj Verma, vocalist, will receive the award on his behalf. I would request Shri Gomango Ji to please give this award to Shri Amarnath Ji for contribution to music. Gomango Ji.
Pandit Amarnath ji has served music for long years. He is lying in hospital.